how to fix pull-up for precise seeking issue on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery, where we break down tech issues into easy solutions. If you've been frustrated by the pull-up for precise seeking feature on YouTube, don't worry. Today I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a few quick steps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. First, launch the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you're in, head over to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Step 2. Go to Settings. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Access the accessibility settings. Scroll down until you find the Accessibility option. Tap on it to continue. Inside this section, look for a setting called Accessibility Player. Go ahead and toggle the switch on to activate it. Step 4. Adjust player control visibility. Now tap on Hide Player Controls. A pop-up will appear asking how long you'd like the controls to stay visible before they disappear. For the best experience, we recommend choosing after 3 seconds, but you can also select 5, 10, or more, depending on your preference. This adjustment helps reduce the chance of accidentally triggering the precise seeking mode when you're just trying to scroll or watch. Step 5. Restart the YouTube app. To make sure these changes take effect properly, completely close the YouTube app and then reopen it. Once you do, you'll notice the pull-up for precise seeking feature is now more controlled or even disabled depending on your settings. Wrap up. And there you have it, a quick and simple fix to take back control of your YouTube viewing experience. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to How to Mastery for more easy tech fixes, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover anything else. Thanks for watching.